children! Welcome to another interesting session. In part 1, we learned about modes of transport, vehicles for special transport, let's learn more about the transport from the lesson Let's Travel Part 2 of Class 3 EVS. Learning outcomes. By the end of Part 2, you will be able to learn about how do people travel in villages, modes of transport in olden days, unsafe way to travel. First, have a look on mind map. Village transport, bullock carts, bicycles, motorcycles, auto rickshaws. Transport in olden days, bullock carts, horse carts or boats. Let's learn some new keywords. Animals used for travel. Dangerous traveling. Modes of transport in olden days. How do people travel in villages? Children, Suraram is a small village near a forest. The people go to the forest to collect honey, gum, soap nuts, and other things. But there are no roads in the forest. So they walk or use bullock carts or bicycles. Buses come to Suraram, but they don't go too far away because there are no proper roads. So people in those villages use bullock carts, bicycles, motorcycles, auto rickshaws. Do you know, children? In some villages, people use animals and boats to travel. In a few villages, people ride on horses. In forest areas, elephants are used. In desert villages, camels are used. In the hilly or narrow paths, donkeys help carry goods. In villages near rivers or lakes, boats are used. So, children, people use different types of transport depending on the place and their needs. Let's see modes of transport in olden days. Children, today we use vehicles like autos, scooters, buses, trains, ships, and airplanes. But do you know, long ago, people did not have these vehicles. In the olden days, people used bullock carts, horse carts, or boats. And many people walked from one place to another. You can ask your grandparents or elders. They will tell you how they traveled when they were young. Nowadays, we have better vehicles that help us travel fast and easily. Unsafe way to travel. Children, look at the pictures carefully. Do you see how some people are traveling? Sitting on top of buses and trains. Hanging outside autos. Riding overcrowded bikes and rickshaws. Is this the correct way to travel? No, it is not. This is not safe. When too many people travel in one vehicle or travel in the wrong way, it can be very dangerous. Let's see what can happen if we don't travel safely. People may fall and get hurt. Accidents may occur. The vehicles may get damaged. It is not safe or comfortable for anyone. So, children, we should always travel safely, sit properly inside the vehicle, never crowd too many people into one vehicle. Children, always sit properly when you are in a vehicle. Let's revise. People use different vehicles in different places. We should always travel safely. Sit properly and never overcrowd vehicles. Safety is always more important than speed. Well done, children. Don't forget to do your home assessment. Have a good day. Thank you for watching.